Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and review Amazon monthly payment options on your desktop browser. If you want to see whether an eligible product can be paid for over several months, I'll show you where to check the details. Let's get started. First, open Amazon and use the search bar to find the product you're interested in. Monthly payment options aren't available for every item, so look for products that display an installment option in the pricing information. Once you find an eligible product, click on it to open the product page. Look around the main price section for financing or monthly payment information. If you see a link such as Select a Plan, click it to view the available option. A pop-up or expanded section may appear with the payment details. Review the information carefully, including the monthly payment amount, number of payments, and any interest or fees listed in the offer. If the offer specifically shows 0% APR or $0 interest, then the displayed plan has no interest according to those terms. Don't assume every Amazon installment offer is interest-free, so always check the information shown for the specific product and plan. Before placing your order, review the payment option again during checkout to make sure you understand the total cost and payment schedule. And that's it. Now you know how to find and review Amazon monthly payment options before making a purchase. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon tips. Thanks for watching.